Firstly, I would like to thank all 500 subscribers who believed in this channel. I appreciate all the help and all the comments. Thank you. And as we got this far by exploring artificial intelligence-generated images, I would like to focus today on something different, yet connected. How AI affects us. Well, so does AI really create better than we do? I don't think it's a well-stated question. Actually, I think we are so surrounded by emotions that a lot of them are incorrectly formulated in this topic. So to find an answer, let's begin with a quest to find the accurate question first. We all know our jobs will change. There are a lot of theories flowing around about it. Maybe machines will overflow the planet, leading to our extinction. Maybe humans will get some revelation and banish all AI from our lives. But I don't think so. This is such a black and white way of thinking, and I would expect something in the gray zone. So maybe we will become something like a human-born cyborg with, for example, telepathic-like ability to talk to the other person on the other side of the globe, with the power to access all modern human knowledge almost instantly, or to control machines from the distance. Yeah, you guessed it, it's already possible with just a phone. So that's my point exactly. We are already cyborgs. The only difference is that we don't have it glued to our hands, but most people carry electronics all the time anyway. We are already enhancing ourselves with AI, so we will continue to do it in the future. Let's avoid the question, will AI replace artists? Let's ask instead, what parts of our jobs will AI replace, how we will be enhanced by it, and how we will change to accommodate it. Because we will change. I don't need to use so much of my memory if I have notifications for everything. I don't need a sense of direction when I have GPS. So maybe I will not need my creativity when I have creative AI. Actually, for now, no AI generator is totally independent. With Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, you always have to define the prompt. Yes, you can write random letters, which I have proven in this video, but for the most stunning, unexpected, and wild generations, you have to use your imagination for prompt writing. But anyway, it is different type of imagination than drawing it yourself. Maybe not less creative, but definitely different. So if we get used to it, will we lose our ability to do it by ourselves? Therefore, I believe there are two questions we've been looking for. What parts of our job will AI replace? And what parts of us will it replace? I don't want to spend this video making any more assumptions about the future of our jobs. There's enough of such videos on the internet, and I link my favorite ones in the description. I will adopt the most probable theory in my opinion. We'll enhance our work abilities with AI to the point when we do not draw, carve, or design by ourselves, but instead we focus on problem finding and thinking, and leaving all the labor to the machine. The results? Oh well, I am sure they will be astonishing. But as I said, let's leave the business, productivity and effect-oriented stuff for now. What about us? Our abilities, our passions? I don't know why you create. Is it your job? Or maybe a hobby? But doing something new, is it a model, design, poem, music, whatever, it needs a spark, an idea, or energy. If you love it the same as I do, you know what I'm talking about. And I have to say, sometimes I fear that we will lose it with our jobs, because the workflow may change with AI, excluding free imagination in this sense. We'll probably find new things to enjoy in such reality. But anyway, with our hobbies? Yeah, theoretically no one can take them from us, as they are by definition something we do of a free will in our free time. I have to admit the motivation hit me in a wave when I understood just the basics of AI image generators. Sometimes when I'm looking at the pictures I have prompted, I can't stop myself from thinking, I will never have to paint anything in my life ever again. This this is just perfect without me. And then my heart just flops a little. Right now it is illustration, but someday it will also be architecture, maybe sculpture, music, and any other creative hobby you may have. So I want to talk about why we should design anyway, even if someday we no longer need to, not for a job, not for anyone else. Why we should create, just for ourselves. We could now spend the remaining time of this video looking at scientific papers. I don't know how about you, but I don't really consider scientific advantages of creativity when starting to be passionate about something. No, I think just about the things I like, things that get me making it without even thinking about any proven advantages. Those moments when I feel joy for doing it. And those are the things I would like to share with you. The first stroke, when there are so many possibilities before you and you're free to explore them. The last stroke, when you know you have done whatever you could. When suddenly an idea hits you and you have to create it or at least note it down because you feel how important and unique it is. When you have no idea at all, but you focus on the task and work and work and work until you notice you actually may like it. Being lost in creation, however you experience it, music or without, day or night. This moment when you lose the track of time. Quiet type of flow you can have with a cup of coffee or tea, when you do not feel rushed, but neither time passing. Paper. Just the smell, the touch, and endless possibilities with just a piece of paper. This one piece you have hated so much in the end, but later understood how much you learned on it. Seeing your design used, either the object you sketched created, the architectural build, the model used as a part of a bigger project. Meet a new concept in your field, when you can only think about trying it yourself. Meeting a passionate person and just listening to them. A feeling of adrenaline before the deadline, when you know you have everything finished. Looking on a new design as a quest, waiting to see what unexpected adventures will it bring. The conversation with your teammates about the concept when you are both so excited about the topic. A conversation with someone who is not on the topic, but offered you to listen. So you talk and they understand nothing but nod. And in some moment you understand that you know the solution to the problem. Seeing a piece of design that just speaks to you and appreciating the person who made it. When you realize you have been smiling looking at your design. Finding something completely random and unrelated, so inspiring. Creating a present and thinking about the person it is for during this process. Having something you made only for yourself, that no one will ever see.